Today you will learn step by step how you can connect a broker to your MetaTrader 5. So this is a very simple thing to do. The first thing we need to do is head over to MT5 and then from your main quotes page right here, select settings. Now what you need to do is you want to click on new account, and then from here you now want to search for the broker that you have signed up with and you've got an account with. So for example, I will search for IC Markets. And then from here, you now want to make sure that you choose the correct server, which will be provided to you by your broker. As you can see, I will then be able to click on my server. Again, from this page, what you will then be able to do is click on server and make sure again that you've just selected the correct one. And then once you have selected the correct one, you will then be able to enter in your login and also your password. Once you enter in your login and your password, as you can see, you will now be able to select sign in at the bottom of this page. And then that will mean that you have connected your broker account to your MetaTrader 5. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can connect your broker to MT5.